Hello there, I'm Nancy, and today I want to tell you a little bit about the construction of a Lone Star quilt pattern using the English paper piecing method. And I've got a really nice example behind me, which is a 6-pointed Lone Star. It's made with 1.5-inch diamonds, and we have already done a little workshop on the diamond technique, so you may want to go back and look that up. But I just want to give you a few tips about the construction itself, because I get often asked, how do you go about it? And I've got another example of a Lone Star here on the table, which is a 8-pointed star. It uses 45-degree diamonds. And I've prepared some samples here. And if you just look at this quilt, you can see that each point is the same. And that's how it's constructed. It's constructed out of these lozenges here. So 8 of those are made. So in principle, it's something like this. This is a lozenge for a smaller star.